Hello students, welcome back to my class. Today I am going to teach you part 2 of the monkey and the crocodile. As you know, in last class I have taught you the subject supplementary reader, and in supplementary reader I have taught you chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is the monkey and the crocodile. This is the second part. This is the second part of the monkey and the crocodile. So let us see where we last left. Let us see the chapter from where we last left. The next paragraph is see page number 22, and the next paragraph is his wife was furious. Furious, you can say the meaning of furious is feeling great anger, furious, and she dived into to hide herself at the bottom of the river, leaving the little ones to Pestro their father. Pestro, the meaning of Pestro is harass. To Pestro, to harass their father. In this paragraph, the writer tells us that his wife, means the crocodile's wife, was furious. She was feeling great anger for her husband because her husband is not going to listen her. That's why she was feeling great anger against her husband, and she dived in to hide herself, and she dived in the river and hide herself at the bottom of the river, and she also hide herself into the bottom of the river. She dived in the bottom of the river and hide herself, that she couldn't be found by the crocodile. Leaving the little ones, she left the little ones for what? To pester their father, to harass their father. She left the little ones that they can harass their father. लेडी क्रोकोडाइल गुस्सा हो करके उसने जो है एक डाइव मारी पानी के अंदर, बिल्कुल तह पर चली गई ताकि वो जो है अपने आप को छिपा सके, और अपने बच्चों को भी उसने छोड़ दिया कि वो अपने फादर को जो है परेशान कर सके. Leaving the little ones to pester their father, she also left the little ones, the children, that they can harass the father, that they can harass their father. Now see the next one. The next one is the crocodile was in a serious dilemma. Dilemma means problem. Dilemma means problem. The crocodile was in a serious dilemma. The crocodile was in a serious problem. He didn't know how to take care the little ones. He didn't know about the little ones, how to take care of the little ones. He loved his wife and was very fond of his friend too. He loved his wife and he was also fond of his friend. He also had great affection for his friend. He also had great love for his friend, but he loved his wife very much. He loved his wife and was very fond of his friend too. Finally, he decided to be on the side of his wife. Finally, at last, he decided to take the side of his wife. Means now he will go to the monkey and tell him to come for the dinner, so that his wife can eat the heart of the monkey. Now finally he decided to be on the side of his wife. Finally, at last he decided to take the side of his wife, and she was his life partner after all. Anyway, she was his life partner. He had to spend his whole life with her. That's why he decided to take the side of his wife. I know it is a sin. Sin. You can say offense, jurm. But here you can say pap. This is it's a sin to betray a friend. Betray means deceive. Betray, deceive a friend. But I have no choice, he said to himself. I know it's a sin to betray a friend. Now the crocodile told himself that I know it's a sin, it's an offense to betray, to deceive a friend. I am going to deceive my friend and it is a sin. मैं अपने दोस्त को, अपने मित्र को जो है धोखा देने जा रहा हूँ और ये एक पाप है. आई नो इट बट आई हैव नो चॉइस. बट द क्रोकोडाइल हैव नो चॉइस. ही हैड टू चूज हिज वाइफ और हिज फ्रेंड. He said to himself, the crocodile said to himself, I will invite the monkey home and hope for the best. I will invite the monkey at my home. And I hope for the best. All things will go best. All things will be well. The next paragraph is, my wife wants you over for a meal, dear friend, said the crocodile when he visited the monkey next day. Or you can say across. So my wife wants you over for a meal. Meal, you can say feast, food. So my wife wants you over for a meal. My wife invited you for a meal at our home. And dear friend, my wife has invited you for a meal over the river, said the crocodile when he visited the monkey next day. When the crocodile visited to the monkey next day, he invited the monkey for the meal, for the feast. And you must come home with me today. You must come home with me. You must come to my home with me so that we can have the meal at my home. The next paragraph is, with pleasure, said the monkey. The monkey replied, the monkey said, with pleasure. Yes, with pleasure. I am very happy. I will go with you because you have invited me at your home. That's why I will go with you to have the meal. I am no swimmer, but can ride on your back. I am no swimmer. The monkey replied to the crocodile that I am no swimmer. Means I can climb the trees, but I can't swim. So, but can ride on your back. But I can ride on your back. I can sit on your back and you can take me over the river. You can take me across the river. लेकिन मैं तुम्हारी पीठ पर बैठ करके जो है नदी पार कर सकता हूँ. And they set out. Set out. The meaning of set out is leave. And they set out and they left. They leave that place. They started to go to crocodile's home. The next one is, in the middle of the river where the current, the meaning of current here, wave of the river, जो नदी की लहरें हैं. The current was the strongest. The crocodile could no longer hide his intention. The meaning of intention is intention, aim. The meaning of intention is aim. In the middle of the river where the current was the strongest, when they reached in the middle of the river, when the current, where the wave of the stream was strongest, at that place the crocodile could no longer hide his intention. At that place the crocodile was not able to hide his intention, his aim. Means the crocodile told the aim to the monkey. Why he is taking the monkey to his home? He told that his wife wanted to eat the heart of monkey. That's why he is taking the monkey to his home. At in the middle of the stream, he told these things. In the middle of the river, he told these things to the monkey. Sorry, my friend, he said hesitatingly. Hesitatingly. It is made of hesitate. Hesitate करना, संकोच करना. Hesitatingly, you can say in a hesitating manner. In a hesitating manner. In a hesitating manner. Hesitatingly. But I have to go underwater now. Sorry, my friend. Now the crocodile told the monkey, sorry, my friend. Sorry for that. He said hesitatingly. He said it in hesitating manner. कुछ हिचकिचाते हुए उसने जो है मंकी से कहा कि सॉरी, मैं अब जो है नदी में अंदर जाऊंगा. बट आई हैव टू गो अंडर वाटर नाउ. सॉरी फॉर दैट. दैट नाउ आई हैव टू गो अंडर वाटर नाउ. आई हैव टू गो इनटू द वाटर नाउ. इसके लिए मुझे माफ़ कर देना, क्योंकि अब मुझे जो है पानी में अंदर जाना है. माई वाइफ, आई हैव ब्रॉट यू हियर टू किल यू. I have brought you here to kill you. The intention, my intention is here to kill you. I brought here to kill you. मैं तुम्हें यहाँ मारने के लिए लाया हूँ. My wife cannot survive. Survive, to live. My wife cannot survive without eating your heart. Goodbye. My wife cannot survive without eating your heart. Means I want to kill you because my wife wanted to eat your heart. That's why I want to kill you, and I sorry for that thing. Now goodbye. Goodbye. Now I am going into the water so that I can drown you and kill you. When I will kill you, my wife can eat the heart of you. That's why I have brought you here. The next paragraph is, the monkey was scared. The meaning of scared is frightened. The monkey was scared and distressed. Distressed, परेशान होना. And distressed. The monkey was scared and distressed. On listening this, that the crocodile is going to drown him and kill him, he was distressed. The monkey was distressed and frightened. मंकी ने जब सुना कि उसको जो है क्रोकोडाइल डुबोने वाला है, तो वो डर गया और परेशान हो गया. बट ही वॉज सेंसिबल एंड क्लेवर लाइक ऑल मंकीज. सेंसिबल, द वन हु हैज सेंस, हु हैज माइंड, हु हैज ब्रेन. सो बट ही वॉज सेंसिबल, बट द मंकी वॉज सेंसिबल एंड क्लेवर लाइक ऑल मंकीज. Monkey was sensible and clever like all other monkeys. We know that monkeys are clever. They are clever and they are famous for their cleverness. And like the other monkeys, like all of the monkeys, this monkey was also sensible and clever. He kept a cool head. He kept a cool head means he kept himself cool. उसने अपने आप को जो है कूल रखा. उसने अपने आप को नियंत्रण में रखा. calmly he said. calmly, you can say quietly. calmly he said. quietly he said. शांति से, आराम से, धीरे से उसने कहा, I would do anything for you and your family. Now the monkey replied, आई वुड डू एनीथिंग फॉर यू एंड योर फैमिली। मैं तुम्हारे लिए और तुम्हारी फैमिली के लिए कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ। आई कैन डू एनीथिंग नॉट ओनली फॉर यू बट ऑल्सो फॉर योर फैमिली। You are my only friend and you are only my only friend. I don't have any other friend except you, so I can do anything for you. And after all, you can say anyway. After all, anyway. After all, what is a monkey's heart compared with the life of a crocodile's wife? After all, anyway. What is the monkey's heart? What is the monkey's heart if I compare it with the life of a crocodile's wife? If I compare my heart with the life of a crocodile's wife, then it don't have any value. My heart hasn't any value. If I am going to compare my heart with the life of a crocodile's wife. What is the monkey's heart? एक बंदर का दिल क्या चीज़ है कंपेयर्ड विद द लाइफ ऑफ अ क्रोकोडाइल्स वाइफ? अगर उसको जो है क्रोकोडाइल की वाइफ से जो है कंपेयर किया जाए तो मेरा दिल कुछ भी नहीं है। बट हाउ फूलिश कुड यू बी? बट हाउ फूलिश कुड यू बी? आई डिडंट थिंक दैट यू आर सो फूलिश. You are so foolish. You didn't tell me this earlier when we started from the tree. But how foolish could you be? Why didn't you tell me before? Why didn't you? Now he is going to ask questions after questions. The monkey is going to ask questions after questions so that he can deceive the crocodile. Why didn't you tell me before? Why didn't you tell me before? You should tell me this before when we started from the tree that your wife wanted to eat my heart. I would have brought my heart along. You can say together. Why didn't you tell me before? I would have brought my heart along. If you told me before, then I must have brought my heart with me. I must have brought my heart along myself. You didn't tell me, that's why I have forgotten my heart on the tree. That's why I have not brought the heart this time. You should tell me before when we started from the tree. Now see the next one. But where is your heart? Asked the crocodile innocently in an innocent manner. Innocently, I thought you carried it all the time. Now the crocodile is going to ask the monkey, but where is your heart? When monkey replied that I must have brought my heart along if you told me earlier. On that, the crocodile asked, but where is your heart? If you don't have your heart with you, then where is your heart? अगर अपने साथ तुम अपना दिल नहीं लाए हो तो वो है कहाँ? Asked the crocodile innocently. The crocodile asked in an innocent manner. I thought you carried it all the time. Now the crocodile is going to say more. He is going to say that I thought you carried it all the time. I thought that you always carry your heart with you. मैंने तो सोचा था कि तुम हमेशा अपना दिल अपने साथ में ही रखते हो. Of course not. The next paragraph is of course not. It's there on the tree. Of course not. No. Now the monkey is going to reply. The monkey replied, of course not. No, I don't always carry my heart with me. And it's there on the tree. My heart is there on the tree. I have left the heart on the tree. And let's swim back at once and get it. Let's swim back at once. At once, foreign. Let's swim back at once. We should go towards the tree at once. Why? Because let's swim back at once and get it, so that we can get the heart from the tree. Let's go back at once so that we can get the heart from the tree. Your wife must be waiting, and your wife must be waiting this time. So we should do it quickly. Don't think. Swim towards the tree so that I can take my heart from the tree, because your wife is waiting for a long time. Your wife must be waiting. तुम्हारी वाइफ इंतज़ार कर रही होगी. Replied the monkey, gaining confidence. Confidence, you can say belief. Confidence, belief. Replied the monkey, gaining confidence. When the monkey got the confidence, जब monkey को confidence मिल गया, then he replied that your wife must be waiting. These things said the monkey with full confidence. That crocodile didn't think that monkey is lying. And oh dear, what a mistake, hissed the crocodile. The crocodile hissed, oh dear, what a mistake. What a big mistake I have made. मैंने कितनी बड़ी गलती कर दी, crocodile कहता है. What a mistake. They laughed loudly as the crocodile took a full turn to reach the tree. They laughed loudly. The monkey and crocodile laughed loudly, and the crocodile turned towards the tree very quickly. The next and last paragraph is, on the river bank, the monkey jumped onto the tree and heaved a deep sigh of relief. Heaved, the meaning of heaved is to throw. To throw. On the river bank, when they reached on the bank of the river, at that place the monkey jumped onto the tree. The monkey jumped onto the tree at once. The monkey quickly jumped onto the tree when the crocodile and monkey reached on the bank of the river, and heaved a deep sigh. Deep sigh, गहरी सांस. Heaved, फेंकना, गहरी सांस लेना, फेंकना यानी गहरी सांस लेना. Deep sigh of relief. Relief आराम को कहते हैं. When and heaved a deep sigh of relief, and he took a deep sigh of relief. जब किनारे पर मंकी पहुंचा तो जल्दी से कूदकर पेड़ पर चढ़ गया और उसने आराम की एक गहरी सांस ली. He plucked a fruit or two from the nearest branch and throwing them down said, let your wife have some fruit rather than you can say instead of. Rather than my heart. He plucked a fruit or two from the nearest branch. The monkey jumped onto the tree at once, took a deep sigh of relief, a fruit or two from the nearest branch, and he threw those fruits down towards the crocodile. Them down and he said, let your wife have some fruit. Take this fruit and go to your wife to give it to her. Take these fruits that I have given to you this time, and you give these fruits to your wife. Why? Rather than my heart, instead of my heart. मेरे हार्ट के बजाय, मेरी हार्ट की जगह, मेरे दिल की जगह तुम ये फ्रूट्स ले जा करके अपनी वाइफ को दे दो. Fresh fruits are good for mind and body. Now he is going to criticize the crocodile that now I am out of your reach. Now you can't kill me. And that's why he is saying that fresh fruits are good for mind and body. Take these fruits for your wife, because fresh fruits are good for mind and body. And goodbye friend. And if you don't mind, we won't meet again. Won't we use won't for will not. for will not. Goodbye friend, oh my dear friend, now goodbye, अब जो है अलविदा. एंड इफ़ यू डोंट माइंड, अगर तुम बुरा ना मानो, क्या, वी वोंट मीट अगेन, वी विल नॉट मीट अगेन इन फ्यूचर. इफ़ यू वोंट माइंड, वी विल नॉट मीट अगेन इन फ्यूचर. वाई? बिकॉज यू वांट टू ईट माई हार्ट एंड आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव माई हार्ट टू यू फॉर ईटिंग. Again, the crocodile sadder and wiser shed to pour, shed a few tears which were genuine. Genuine means real. Which were genuine, and turned back to go home. He was in a hurry to tell his wife a thing or two. Now the crocodile sadder and wiser. Now the crocodile was sadder because he has got a few ideas. Now he was also wiser. वो कुछ अक्लमंद भी था. That's why he was sadder. He was sadder that he had lost a good friend because of his wife. That's why the monkey was sadder. He was wise, that's why he was sadder, क्योंकि वो थोड़ा अक्लमंद था, उसके पास थोड़ी सी अकल थी, वाइज था थोड़ा सा, इसलिए उसको दुख हो रहा था एक अच्छे दोस्त के खोने का. And shed a few tears. He also shed a few tears. He also poured a few tears because his friendship with the monkey was broken. And which was genuine. His tears were genuine, real. It was not unreal, but the tears were real. उसके जो आंसू थे वो कहते हैं मगरमच्छ के आंसू बहाना, यानी झूठे आंसू बहाना. उसके आंसू जो है झूठे नहीं थे, उसके आंसू क्या थे, रियल थे, यानी उसको अपनी दोस्ती के टूटने का दुख था. And turned back to go home, and he turned back from that place to go home. He was in a hurry. Now he was in a hurry to go to home. The crocodile was in a hurry to go to home, means he wanted to reach the home as early as possible. To tell his wife a thing or two, because he wanted to tell his wife a thing or two, means he wanted to say something to his wife that because of her he has lost his good friend. Because of her he has no friends now. So he has to say something or other. He has to say something, one thing or two things, means he has to say something to his wife. That's why he returned back to go to his home. Now the story is completed. A story from the Panchatantra. It is a story that is taken from the Panchatantra. So the story is completed. Thank you. Have a nice day.